David Jebasingh. I work for GE Aerospace in the Middle East region. I'm based out of Doha. நாங்கள் இங்கே கோயம்புத்தூரில் வந்து வீடு கட்டணும் அப்படிங்கிறது எங்களுடைய ஒரு லாங் டேர்ம் ட்ரீம் பிகாஸ் என்னுடைய very close cousins and my relatives, they are settled in Coimbatore, and my wife uடைய relatives and her cousins are also settled in Coimbatore. While starting the construction, we were not thinking, even the architect was saying, hey, you need to give a provision for lift, or lift vachirunga appadina sonnaanga. Appo namme enna, we are quite young, we don't need a lift. Everyone was telling, so we thought, okay, we are creating a courtyard here, so future lift venna adula lift potukalam, but the ambience poidum andha marla nariya thought irundhathu, adanaala ipo vendam, probably during the old days when we need it we will do it appadina first nenichittom. Then while we were constructing and the veedu la construct pandrom, one of my niece who was here was closely monitoring this house construction and all. She suggested Nibav Lifts on it. It's very beautiful, aesthetically beautiful one. Vacuum Lifts irukudhu appdinu solli she sent me the pictures and the link for this reels la adha pathi anupi vittunanga. The house was about almost complete and we wanted to do the housewarming. We're pretty close, and on the time on that visit I had a very short visit for some interior finalizing and all, and I had just one day time adukku munadi idu finalize pannittu ponom அப்படின்றதுனால I called up கூப்பிட்டு இவங்ககிட்ட பேசும்போது ஒன் டே டைம் இருக்குது, அதுக்குள்ளே ஐ நீட் டு ஃபைனலைஸ் எவ்ரிதிங் அண்ட் கோ. ஸோ இமிடியேட்லி தி ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் வாஸ் வெரி ஸ்விஃப்ட். சேம் டே sales manager Senthil reached out to me, and the next day the technical team, assessment team also was brought, and within one day we could close the deal, pricing everything, we could close the deal, sign the agreements and close the check எல்லாம் கொடுத்து பண்ணிட்டு போனோம். And the commitment was given to complete the production within 3 months and it will get installed. So as promised, everything went on. They kept on updating me periodically also what's the progress, and the product was ready and installed. Seemingly smooth installation. The base part, they brought it in easily. They brought it in without civil work எதையுமே டிஸ்டர்ப் பண்ணாமல் பண்ணி ரொம்ப அழகாக இன்ஸ்டால் பண்ணாங்க. The staff who came in also, they were very, very cooperative and very helpful. So we are very happy with the way the sales process went through, the initial negotiation, everything went through, and also the aftermarket service, the way they support us on any calls or any queries or anything, that's simply amazing. So it was a phenomenal experience, and you feel kind of you brought a premium product and you are treated in that way as a premium customer. That's a beautiful customer experience which we enjoyed with this team who is supporting us. It's a fantastic experience with them. We really love this product, the way it works, the way it is helping us. It's a little bit bigger house, and my wife has to go up and down many times on the staircase. Yeah, morning she can do it, but when the evening she gets tired, and the lift is really saving grace, to help her to go up, so that relieves a lot of pressure, stress what she gets in within her. So it's really helpful for us. At this point, it's helpful in that way, but as we go, as we age, and this is going to be really, really helpful for us to move to the floors, ground floor and first floor. That will be really helpful for us.